Hey my youngsters, today I am going to make cheesy steak and take sliders. Now let's get into it. Sorry, I thought I was recording. I added 1 small onion chop to 2 pounds of lean ground beef. It's 88% lean and 12% fat. You can use whatever type that you prefer. I also am going to leave the recipe in the description box below for 1 pound of ground beef. But this is actually 2 pounds that I have here. I'm just going to cook this until there's no pink left in the meat. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of garlic powder. A little bit of onion powder. About a tablespoon of each. A little bit of black pepper. About a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to remove the grease with a paper towel. Okay, so now we're going to add Cattlemen's barbecue sauce, Carolina Tangy Gold. I add about a tablespoon of ketchup. And turn this down and let it simmer. Okay, and it should look like this. Get yourself a cookie sheet, put some parchment paper on it. I have the King's Hawaiian rolls, and I'm gonna just take those and place it here. I have 2 packs. I'm trying to see if I can. All right, so what I'm gonna do is cut these first. All right, and the tops, we're gonna just place those to the side. A little uneven, but it'll work. It's gonna add the meat. Okay. You can add whatever kind of cheese you like. I'm gonna add the Mexican style cheese. Now I'm gonna add the top. Now we're gonna add little slits. And I have my oven preheating to 350. Now we're just gonna stuff the slits with the cheese. And be sure not to slice it all the way through, but you just want it enough where you can stuff it with cheese. So I have a half a stick of melted butter. I'm gonna add half a teaspoon of onion powder. Half a teaspoon of parsley. Why? Because we got to make it cute. Half a teaspoon of garlic powder. And a pinch of salt. Mix that up, and you're gonna brush it right over the buns. And they should look delicious like this. Now we're gonna place them in the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes, just until the buns brown a little and the cheese is melted. Okay, and they are all ready. Yummy, yummy. And now for the taste test. Okay, take a bite. Yes, sir, yumsters. This is a yum yum. The sauce has a slight sweetness to it. And then with the garlic, butter, and seasoning we placed on top, it just sets it off. With a cheese pull. Okay? Take another bite. Okay, y'all. Try this out. Very simple, very delish. See you next time.